Yes. So a friend of mine recently bought an Audi RS3, and yesterday we went to fit a custom downpipe and midpipes. An hour or so later, after the fitment was done, we took the car around for a drive to test out the sound, and we were basically reacting to it. It was myself, Mr. How Much, and the owner of the car. So in this POV drive, you'll actually get to hear us react to the car, giggle around, and get excited. We were also carrying the original downpipe in the boot. So if you hear some clunky sound, just know that that's the original downpipe in the boot. With all of that out the way, I really do hope you guys enjoy this one, and let's get right into it. Let's go, I'm ready now.
Yeah. What are we doing, bro? What's our role in the video?
Sure, bruh. We just laugh and say sure, bruh.
Those guys.
Is that an 835?
It's a 35, whatever it is. I can see I can't even tell them apart.
Are you ready, bruh?
Let's cook.
Sure, bruh. We're doing a POV now. No ways.
Especially this lane.
This one is worse, isn't it? How do you do that thing? What's wrong, bro? Are you rethinking your life choices?
Who knew an RS3 could sound like this? It's a bridge.
Yes.
It's like a song.
Yo. This is how it should have came from factory. Should have came like this.
Should have came like this. I had no idea it could do this.
But these regulation stuff are ruining cars.
Ruining cars.
This thing's breathing.
It's breathing
free.
now. You
It's
can tell
free,
now
bro.
it's free. Yes. 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 Yeah. It's a nice road.
Straight.
Yes. These are the kind of roads I want, with trees and stuff. There's another hump here. Ne?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So he also has an RS3.
And Daza.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, friend.
I'm gonna make a U-turn here. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, the downshifts as well. Yes, yes. Who's screaming? Did this one get here first? Yes, yes.
And it's consistent.
This thing is something else.
The mirror is proper, man.
What?
And people get out of the way. Yo.
Nah, they can see that grill. Ah, no, man.
I need that wall there by the mall. Listen to the sound. Hey, alright, bro. Sounds like a
Bro, I
chainsaw.
don't think I'll sell this car.
Sus.
This is the car to keep.
This is a car to keep.
I'm telling you. What else do you want?
Especially because they cancelled RS3s now.
They're no longer making them.
After this one, they said they're not making one anymore.
Yeah, but I keep it.
This 5
It's
cylinder
weekend car anyway, so
Yeah.
10 kilometers will be fine.
Yes. Sus.
Sure.
You can open the whole window, bruh, from here. Sus. Sus.
Wow.
Sus. Yo. Ah, bruh.
I'm impressed.
Ah, no ways.
This is an RS3. What? I've never had one that sounds like this.
I know, no words. No words. No words.
And it's not annoying.
It's not.
Yo.
Oh. What? Yo.
Nah.
I know ways.
Nah.
Sus.
That guy is staring at me.
I know ways.
I've never driven a car like this.
Yeah. This is, bruh, let's go buy RS3s tomorrow,
no,
bruh.
really, bruh.
Tomorrow, bruh. Let's go
Tomorrow,
apply now, bruh.
No, for real.
Now when we get home, we send applications, we send statements.
I had no idea. This setup is the one.
This setup is fire.
it's
You don't
the
need
one.
anything more
It's
than this.
enough.
It's enough.
You don't need anything more. Really.
Why are we stuck behind this thing?
I don't know.
Assess.
What a beautiful song.
Those downshifts, bruh. Last one. Yes, sis.